Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button below so you won't miss any of my videos. And for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create or add a hyperlink or a link that is clickable in your PowerPoint. Go ahead and click on any theme that you want, or just a black presentation would do, and then hit create. Oops, that isn't working, so let's just use this one. And then right click on your mouse so that this option will show up. Then click on hyperlink and just put an address. So for example, canva.com. And that's it. You'll be able to click that link. I hope that this video helped you a lot and see you in my next video. Bye guys.